2026 just dropped the craziest tech ever. From AI gadgets to futuristic home innovations, these devices will blow your mind. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive into the most insane tech you have to see this year. LOOI Robot. Turn your desk into an interactive playground with an AI-powered companion that brings your smartphone to life. It reacts to gestures, voice commands, and facial cues, showing emotions, telling stories, cracking jokes, and even performing playful dream sequences based on your interactions. Beyond entertainment, it doubles as a wireless phone charger, adjustable stand, face-tracking camera mount, and mini display for clocks, weather, or games. The companion grows smarter over time with app updates, keeping data private while expanding its personality and features. Combining playful engagement with practical desktop functions, it creates a futuristic experience that entertains, assists, and adapts to your everyday routine. Sharge Disk Pro. This all-in-one portable device is a game changer for creators, professionals, and tech enthusiasts who want powerful storage and connectivity on the go. Roughly the size of a credit card and ultra lightweight, it combines high-capacity SSD storage with a versatile USB hub, letting you connect displays, peripherals, and power all from a single compact unit. Fast USB 3.2 Gen 2 speeds make file transfers smooth, while a built-in active cooling system prevents overheating during heavy workloads, keeping performance stable no matter how intense the session gets. Its magnetic back design allows easy attachment to compatible laptops, tablets, or phones, reducing desk clutter and making it perfect for mobile setups. By merging storage, display output, and hub functionality, it simplifies modern workflows and ensures you have everything you need in one sleek, portable solution. Ideal for anyone looking to streamline work, creative projects, or everyday tech tasks. Mini Drill Pen. This compact rechargeable tool is perfect for anyone who works on precision projects. Its pen-like shape provides excellent control, making it ideal for hobbies, miniature models, jewelry, or electronics work where every detail counts. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it feels solid yet lightweight in hand. An easy-to-read OLED display shows speed and battery status at a glance, while 5 adjustable speed levels let you tailor the rotation to different materials like wood, plastic, resin, or circuit boards. Built-in LED lights illuminate your workspace, ensuring every small detail is visible, even in dim environments. USB-C charging keeps it ready for long creative sessions, and the internal battery delivers reliable runtime. Swapping bits is fast and tool-free thanks to the quick change chuck, and reverse rotation adds extra versatility. Small but powerful, this mini drill balances smart design, precision, and practicality for makers, crafters, and tech enthusiasts alike. Biometric Smart Gun Safe. This high-tech safe offers a modern, secure way to store firearms and valuables while keeping access fast and convenient. Advanced fingerprint sensors recognize registered users instantly, unlocking in a fraction of a second while preventing unauthorized access. Constructed from solid steel with reinforced locking bolts and concealed hinges, it provides strong protection against tampering. Features like automatic locking, tamper alerts, low battery warnings, and access logs add extra layers of security and awareness. Battery-powered operation ensures reliability even during outages, with long-lasting performance designed for daily use. Available in multiple sizes, it accommodates everything from handguns to larger firearms like rifles and shotguns. Backup access options, including PIN codes or physical keys, provide added convenience without compromising safety. Combining speed, durability, and practicality, this smart storage solution gives peace of mind and makes responsible firearm management easier and more reliable for any household or professional setting. Divoom TimesGate. This smart desktop display transforms any workspace into a vibrant, futuristic hub. With multiple vivid screens, it can show animated pixel art, clocks, and dynamic data panels all at once, merging creativity with real-time information. A companion mobile app allows full customization, from designing personal pixel art to exploring an extensive library of community-made animations and graphics. Built-in Wi-Fi keeps live updates flowing, including weather, world time, social stats, and other digital dashboards. Bold RGB lighting and a modular design make it a striking centerpiece for gaming setups, streaming desks, or creative studios. Powered via USB-C, it ensures continuous operation while keeping your space clutter-free. Whether used for fun, productivity, or visual inspiration, This device brings everyday information to life, combining practical functionality with eye-catching design that engages, entertains, and enhances any modern workspace. Sonicake NeoUke. This innovative musical device brings a fresh, approachable way to create music, even for complete beginners. Replacing traditional strings with touch-sensitive pads and LED-guided zones, it lets users trigger chords instantly, removing the need for complex finger techniques. Built-in accompaniment features, including rhythm patterns and backing tracks, allow anyone to craft layered performances effortlessly. Multiple sound modes provide the versatility to switch between guitar, ukulele, piano, and electric tones with simple onboard controls. Bluetooth connectivity links the device to a companion app where users can explore songs, adjust settings, and follow guided play features for a more interactive experience. A built-in speaker and reactive LED lighting add a visual dimension to every session, making practice and performance more immersive. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it transforms music creation into a fun, engaging activity, helping players of all skill levels enjoy jamming, learning, and experimenting without intimidation. Roborock F25 ACE Pro. This high-performance floor cleaner brings professional-level cleaning right into your home. Combining wet and dry cleaning capabilities with advanced automation, it makes maintaining spotless floors effortless. A jet foaming system produces millions of microbubbles from just a small amount of cleaning solution, lifting stubborn stains and odors with ease. Intelligent dirt sensors adjust suction and water flow in real time, ensuring optimal cleaning for different surfaces. Powerful suction handles debris and pet hair, while specialized scrapers prevent tangles. Its low-profile design reaches under furniture, and smooth navigation effortlessly avoids obstacles. Self-cleaning brushes and high-temperature drying help prevent mold and lingering smells, keeping the system fresh and hygienic. Long battery life, large water tanks, app control, and voice alerts make it easy to schedule, monitor, and manage cleaning sessions from anywhere. Compact yet mighty, it delivers a smart, tech-forward approach to keeping floors spotless and home environments healthier. Rokid AI Glasses. These AI-powered smart glasses bring advanced artificial intelligence directly into wearable eyewear, blending style, comfort, and functionality. Weighing just 38.5 grams, they're designed for all-day use and support both prescription and photochromic lenses that automatically adjust from clear to tinted in about 25 seconds. A 12-megapixel camera allows hands-free photos and video capture, while open-ear audio delivers AI responses and real-time interaction in 12 languages. Advanced AI translation supports communication in up to 89 languages, making them ideal for travel, work, or learning. Powered by a dual-chip system, the glasses handle continuous AI tasks efficiently, from image processing to voice commands. With global pre-orders available, including custom prescriptions and optional bundles, these glasses combine next-generation imaging, multilingual AI functionality, and smartphone-free convenience. Sleek, lightweight, and technologically advanced, they offer a seamless way to integrate artificial intelligence into everyday life while staying stylish and connected. Withings Body Scan 2. This next-generation smart health scale transforms home wellness into a full scientific experience. Unlike traditional scales, it completes a 90-second assessment that measures over 60 biomarkers, tracking cardiovascular performance, metabolic efficiency, cellular health, and glycemic regulation. Advanced technologies, including impedance cardiography for heart monitoring, a 6-lead ECG for rhythm analysis, and bioimpedance spectroscopy for detailed body composition, bring clinical-grade insights to everyday life. AI-driven features offer personalized guidance and hypertension risk notifications, helping users make informed lifestyle decisions. Its sleek glass design includes 12 electrodes and a retractable handle, paired with a high-resolution display that delivers instant results. Data syncs securely to a companion app via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, storing long-term health trends. With a rechargeable battery lasting up to 15 months, it combines futuristic technology, convenience, and reliability. This device redefines home health monitoring by turning complex medical assessments into an effortless, informative, and empowering experience. Anura MagicMirror. This next-generation smart health scale transforms home wellness into a full scientific experience. Unlike traditional scales, it completes a 90-second assessment that measures over 60 biomarkers, tracking cardiovascular performance, metabolic efficiency, cellular health, and glycemic regulation. Advanced technologies, including impedance cardiography for heart monitoring, a 6-lead ECG for rhythm analysis, and bioimpedance spectroscopy for detailed body composition, bring clinical-grade insights to everyday life. AI-driven features offer personalized guidance and hypertension risk notifications, helping users make informed lifestyle decisions. Its sleek glass design includes 12 electrodes and a retractable handle paired with a high-resolution display that delivers instant results. Data syncs securely to a companion app via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, storing long-term health trends. With a rechargeable battery lasting up to 15 months, it combines futuristic technology, convenience, and reliability. This device redefines home health monitoring by turning complex medical assessments into an effortless, informative, and empowering experience. Sony LinkBuds Clip. These open-ear wireless earbuds are designed for people who want great sound without losing touch with their surroundings. Sitting comfortably on the outer ear, they let you enjoy music, podcasts, or calls while still hearing the world around you. Perfect for commuting, workouts, or just daily use. Advanced Bluetooth connectivity ensures a stable connection, while AI-powered voice pickup and noise reduction deliver clear calls even in busy environments. You can switch between listening modes, boost voices, or reduce sound leakage with simple tap controls, or through the companion app, which also lets you adjust EQ settings, enable upscaling, and enjoy immersive 360 reality audio. Each earbud provides up to 9 hours of playback, and the charging case extends total listening time to 37 hours with quick charge support. Water resistant and available in multiple colors, they combine safety, convenience, and high-quality sound for everyday life. Lutron Aurora. This smart lighting accessory takes your home setup to the next level by giving you simple, physical control over smart bulbs without needing an app or voice commands. It mounts directly over a standard toggle switch, keeping it locked in the on position so your smart bulbs stay powered and responsive at all times. This solves a common problem where smart lights become unreachable after someone flips the switch off. Installation is effortless and tool-free, requiring no wiring or electrical experience, so anyone can set it up in minutes. Once in place, the rotary knob works just like a traditional dimmer. Tap to turn lights on or off, or twist to adjust brightness smoothly. Using reliable wireless communication, it maintains a stable connection even if your Wi-Fi goes down, ensuring your smart lighting remains dependable and easy to control every day. It's a simple, elegant solution for smarter, hassle-free lighting. Power Strip Surge Protector. Transform a single wall outlet into a powerful charging station with this vertical hub that delivers multiple AC and USB ports while keeping your devices protected. Its space-saving tower design fits neatly on desks, gaming setups, or entertainment centers, while wide-spaced outlets accommodate bulky plugs without blocking others. Built-in surge protection safeguards electronics from voltage spikes, and added features like USB-A and USB-C ports. Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Give your jewelry and small personal items a deep, professional-grade clean without any scrubbing. Using high-frequency sound waves, this device generates millions of microscopic bubbles that gently lift dirt, oils, and grime from every surface and hard-to-reach crevice. With stainless steel tanks, one-touch operation, adjustable timers, and automatic shutoff, it's designed for convenience and safety. Perfect for rings, bracelets, necklaces, earrings, eyeglasses, and water-resistant watches, it restores shine in just minutes while being gentle on metals and hard gemstones like gold, silver, platinum, diamonds, sapphires, and rubies. Quick, precise, and effortless, it makes maintaining sparkle easy. Just be sure to check delicate materials like pearls or glued stones before use. Obzi DP1. This desktop film printer brings professional-grade custom printing within reach for creators, small studios, and apparel businesses. Equipped with a high-resolution printhead, it produces sharp, vibrant designs up to 3,600 dpi on films that can be heat-pressed onto t-shirts, hoodies, bags, and more. Its single-head setup reduces maintenance, improves consistency, and keeps daily operations simple. User-friendly software software, automated print head care, and minimal setup make it accessible even for newcomers, while higher speed variants support larger production needs. Compact yet powerful, it fits seamlessly into creative workspaces and growing businesses alike. Combining precision, efficiency, and scalable performance, it turns on-demand garment printing into a professional, hassle-free process. Don't miss out on the future hit. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing tech gadgets.